So welcome you all. Today we will see how to use car battery to run a laptop. So this is a laptop, Dell laptop. You can check it out. The power which can be available, it is 65 watt. You can see. Now we'll try to run this laptop on a battery. So how we can run? So for this we will require an inverter. So for this you can purchase an inverter. So this is one Microtech inverter we are having. So I have already unboxed this. So on this, as you have seen, the wattages was 65 watt, and this is a 200 watt. You can see on the screen. So with this 200 watt, we'll just try whether we will be able to run this laptop on the given battery. That's the car battery which is available. So the capacity of battery, it is 40 ampere hour. You can just check it out at the top. So capacity, it is 40 ampere hour. So with this car battery, we are just trying to operate this laptop whether it works or not. So this is a inverter which is of 200 watt. It can be easily purchased from online website like on Amazon or some other over here. So this is a Microtech 12 volt DC converter. You can see the 200 watt rating over here. So we'll just quickly make connection to the battery and then we'll proceed. So this is the laptop, Dell laptop, and this is your inverter. So I have connected the power cord onto the back side over here. Some sockets are provided on the back side. Now we'll connect these two terminals to your battery, positive and negative. So we have made the connections. You can see positive terminal is connected, the red wire is connected here, the black wire is also connected here. I will show you the indications here. So a 12 volt DC converter, 200 watt, you can observe. We'll just take a look of on the back side here. So these are the two terminals, positive and negative, as connected to your battery. Now we will just try to check whether we are able to run the laptop or not. So just check, no power is coming, so the battery is completely dead. So we'll try to run this laptop with the help of a car battery. So just check it out. Now if I try to switch it on, it doesn't switch it on. So I'm just connecting the power cord to my laptop. You can just check it out here. Now the power has come into the laptop. So pressing the power button, we'll check. So this has been started. So easily you can operate your laptop with the help of a 12 volt battery. You can just check it out connections, how it has been done. A 12 volt battery, 40 ampere 12 volt battery has been used to start the Dell laptop. So you can just check it out, a Dell laptop is there. So the power wattages we have shown, that is 65 watt. So easily it can run this laptop on it. Just open. You can see the laptop is working quite smoothly. So in this way you can make use of 12-volt battery to run a laptop. So as the wattage is 65 watt, so up to 200 watt we can run the load with the help of this inverter. So you can see the screen now, everything is working fine with the laptop. So how much backup as of now it will get, we have to check how much backup it will give over here. So as of now you can just check it out, this how the power is being supplied with the help of a car battery. So Exide car battery has been used, 12 volt 40 ampere hour, so that is a rating for your battery, and with this battery you can easily run the load which is up to 200 watt. Thank you.